going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're looking at Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. And if you haven't been living under a rock, you know they're about to do a 4-for-1 split. The big debate is, should you buy before or after the split? We're going to settle that in just a few. Let's get into it. Before we get in the video, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel and like the video because it helps out immensely. And also, smash that bell for future notifications. Okay, here we are on the 1-year chart. This is in the Thinkorswim platform presented by TD Ameritrade. And as you can see, Apple hit a 52-week high of $464.35. Actually, that is an all-time high today. August 17th. And a lot of people may be scared to get in at this price, but it all depends on what you're getting in for. If you're getting in for the long, it doesn't matter when you get in. I'll talk more about that later, but now we're going to talk about the trend. Let's go to a 5-year chart just to show you this upward trend. Upward trend. It takes dips, or we'll call these breathers, but it is an upward trend, and the trend is your friend. So if you're having any doubts about should I get into this for the long term, that doubt needs to go away. I mean, this is a stock that is going to be around for a long time. So back to the 1-year chart. And as you can see, this stock is trading over the 200-day moving average, which is a positive. The only thing that concerns me right here, and we'll get into this in a little bit, and it's regards to should you buy before or after the split, is this indicator down here. But this stock, like I said, is trading over the 200-day moving average. It is a stock that has not just phones and iPads, but now they're a media company. They're a wearable company. This is a company of many avenues of generating income, revenue. So that's the things you need to look at. Also, don't take what I say, do your own research. I'm just helping you out with part of your research. But on to the question that everybody has been asking. I've seen it all over Facebook. Should you buy before or after the split? I'm going to say it doesn't matter. You can buy now, before the split, or you can buy after the split. It's not going to affect the stock at all. Its intrinsic value is not going to affect anything. Basically, if you have the capital now, buy now. But if you want to buy at a lower price, say you don't have enough money to buy a whole share right now, which really doesn't matter because Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Webull, all of them allow fractional trades. So it just comes down to what would you rather pay for the stock? Let's say it does, 464 is as high as it gets. So we'll say it's 460 when the split is done. So you're looking at $115 a share afterwards. But what I want to point out, and you should look at, is this down here. This is the relative strength index RSI indicator. This stock is overbought. So, which leads me to believe there's going to be a dip in the future. So if you're looking to get in at a lower price, wait till after the split, because I do believe you're going to be able to get in at a cheaper price. But as far as buying before or after the split, it makes no sense either way. You have people that, I'm going to do this before, or no, I'm going to buy after. Doesn't matter. The stock price, the stock itself, it's not going to change anything. It's going to allow people with less capital to buy more shares at a time. That's all that it's going to do. So with that, this is a short little video because I know everybody, should I buy before or after? It doesn't matter. So if you like this type of content and want to see more, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button because it helps out tremendously, and smash that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.